Husqvarna, a two-wheeled vehicle brand based in Sweden, officially launched its high-performance naked-style motorbike, the Svartpilen 801. This motorbike, known as the Black Arrow, comes with a minimalist design inspired by the scrambler style, giving the impression of being tough and ready for adventure. The manufacturer says that the vehicle comes with a combination of performance, agility, and contemporary design that will attract attention when this motorbike crosses the road. This Svartpilen 801 is built with a strong chromium molybdenum tubular steel frame, but still prioritizes lightweight. In addition, the front is equipped with an adjustable WP Apex suspension offering 140 mm fork travel and 150 mm shock travel at the rear to optimize control and comfort. This motorbike has 17-inch rims wrapped in Pirelli MT6 0RS rubber tires, which have impressive traction capabilities. Then, control of this motorbike is supported by the anti-lock braking system from Bosch, which optimizes the braking side. For maximum driving, Supermoto ABS mode is also presented to provide a higher braking sensation. On the rider's side, it is supported by premium electronic features, including a 5-inch TFT dashboard and a connectivity unit from the Ride Husqvarna Motorcycles application as standard. Other features are also provided, such as hazard warning, which is integrated into the handlebar controls, while an anti-theft device has been provided via the immobilizer. In the heart rate sector, this motorbike is equipped with a 799cc parallel twin engine with 105 HP and 87 Nm of torque, which provides extraordinary performance. Then, the driver can choose a driving mode consisting of street, rain, sport, and optional dynamic mode. Husqvarna has not yet revealed the price of this powerful motorbike, but the company confirmed that the Svartpilen 801 will be available globally starting next April.